Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about cultural festivals from all over the world. You'll learn useful English words and phrases, practice real conversations, and gain confidence talking about traditions and celebrations. Watch until the end. You'll be able to join any conversation about festivals with ease. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started.
Good morning, David. I went shopping yesterday, and I found some amazing clothes.
Good morning, Anna. That sounds fun. What did you buy?
I bought a new dress and a pair of sneakers. They were on sale.
That's great. I love shopping when there are good discounts too.
Me too. I also like trying new styles and colors.
Fashion is a way to express yourself, so experimenting is fun.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, I do, but I usually shop for essentials and avoid impulsive buying.
That's smart. I sometimes buy things just because they look nice, even if I don't need them.
Many people do that. Online shopping makes it even easier to buy on impulse.
Speaking of online shopping, do you buy clothes online?
Yes, it's convenient, especially for brands that are not available in my city.
I agree. Sometimes it's hard to find certain styles in local stores.
Exactly. Online shops have more variety, but sizes can be tricky.
That's true. I always check the size chart before buying.
That's a good habit. It helps avoid returns.
Do you have favorite clothing brands?
Yes, I like casual and sportswear brands like Nike and Adidas.
I like Zara and H&M for trendy and affordable clothes.
Those brands are popular because they follow the latest fashion trends.
Do you prefer shopping in malls or small boutiques?
I prefer malls because they have many stores in one place.
I like small boutiques. They have unique items you don't see everywhere.
That's true. Boutique shopping is great for individuality.
How often do you buy new clothes?
I usually buy a few pieces every season, depending on need and budget.
I try to buy clothes once a month, but I sometimes shop more if there are sales.
Sales are a good opportunity to get quality items for less money.
Do you follow fashion trends?
Sometimes, I like to be aware of trends, but I stick to styles that suit me.
That's smart. Following trends blindly can be expensive and unnecessary.
Exactly. Fashion should be personal, not just popular.
Do you like accessories like bags, hats, and jewelry?
Yes, accessories can change the look of an outfit completely.
I agree. A necklace or scarf can make a simple outfit look stylish.
Accessories are a small investment for a big style impact.
What about shoes? Are they important in fashion?
Definitely, shoes can make or break an outfit. Comfort is also important.
I love having different shoes for different occasions: sneakers, boots, and heels.
That's great. Shoes complete the look and reflect personality.
Do you buy clothes for special occasions?
Yes, for weddings, parties, or formal events, I usually shop a few weeks in advance.
I do the same. Planning ahead helps avoid last-minute stress.
And it also gives time to compare prices and options.
Do you prefer casual or formal clothes?
I like casual clothes for daily wear but enjoy dressing formally for events.
Me too. Casual clothes are comfortable, but formal clothes make a good impression.
Exactly. Different occasions need different styles.
Do you think fashion is important for confidence?
Yes, wearing clothes that make you feel good boosts confidence and self-esteem.
How do you decide what clothes to buy?
I usually consider comfort, style, and whether I will wear it often.
That's practical. I also check if it matches my existing wardrobe.
Matching clothes saves money and keeps your style consistent.
Do you prefer branded clothes or non-branded ones?
I like branded clothes for quality, but sometimes non-branded items are just as good.
True. Some non-branded clothes are stylish and affordable.
Yes, it's important to balance price and quality.
Do you shop alone or with friends?
I usually shop with friends. They give honest opinions about my choices.
That's nice. I enjoy shopping with friends too. It's fun and social.
Shopping can be both practical and a social activity.
Do you follow fashion influencers or bloggers?
Sometimes they give style ideas, but I don't copy everything they wear.
Same here. I like inspiration, but I choose what suits me.
Fashion should always reflect your personality.
Do you buy seasonal clothes?
Yes, I update my wardrobe every season with a few essential items.
That's smart. I also like to buy light clothes in summer and warm clothes in winter.
Seasonal shopping helps you dress appropriately and comfortably.
How important is color when you choose clothes?
Very important. Colors can affect your mood and style.
I love bright colors in summer and darker colors in winter.
That's a classic approach. Matching colors with seasons is stylish.
Do you enjoy window shopping?
Yes, it's fun to look at new trends without buying immediately.
Me too. Sometimes it inspires me to try new styles.
Window shopping is a way to explore fashion without pressure.
Do you compare prices before buying?
Always, I check online and in stores to get the best deal.
That's smart. Online price comparison saves money and time.
Exactly. Shopping wisely is as important as buying the right clothes.
Do you follow fashion trends on social media?
Yes, Instagram and Pinterest are full of ideas for outfits and styling tips.
I love Pinterest for inspiration. You can see how people combine clothes creatively.
Visual platforms help people discover trends and personal style ideas.
Do you have a favorite clothing store?
I like Uniqlo for casual and practical clothes.
I like Zara because they have trendy items that are affordable.
Each store has its own style, so choosing depends on your taste.
Do you shop during sales only or regularly?
Mostly during sales, but sometimes I buy essentials anytime I need them.
Same here. Sales are perfect for adding trendy pieces without spending too much.
Yes, planning shopping around sales is budget-friendly.
Do you like shopping for accessories too?
Yes, accessories like watches, hats, and belts can complete an outfit.
I love jewelry, scarves and handbags. They make even simple clothes look stylish.
Accessories are a great way to personalize your style.
Do you prefer online or in-store shopping for accessories?
I prefer in-store for accessories, so I can see and feel them before buying.
David, what fashion trends do you like this year?
I like oversized jackets and relaxed fit pants. They are comfortable and stylish.
I love floral dresses and pastel colors for spring. They feel fresh and cheerful.
That's great. Fashion trends can reflect the season and mood.
Do you follow sustainable fashion trends?
Yes, I prefer buying clothes made from eco-friendly materials and recycled fabrics.
I try to do the same. Sustainable fashion is better for the environment.
Exactly, small choices in shopping can have a big impact.
How about secondhand shopping? Do you like thrift stores?
Yes, I enjoy shopping in thrift stores. You can find unique and affordable items.
That's true. Sometimes vintage clothes are more stylish than new ones.
Vintage fashion never goes out of style. It's classic and unique.
Who usually gives you fashion advice?
My sister, she has a good sense of style and knows what suits me.
That's nice. I ask my friends for advice, especially when I'm trying a new look.
Friends and family can help you feel confident in your choices.
Do you like matching your clothes with others?
Sometimes, like matching shoes with a belt or top with accessories.
I do that too. Coordinating colors and patterns makes outfits look polished.
Style details make a big difference in appearance.
Do you pay attention to fashion magazines or blogs?
Occasionally, they are useful for inspiration, but not for copying exactly.
I read fashion blogs for ideas on layering and color combinations.
That's smart. Inspiration is great, but personal style is most important.
What's your favorite type of clothing? Casual, formal, or sporty?
I like casual clothes, but I enjoy dressing formally for events.
Same here. Casual clothes are comfortable, but formal wear is elegant and impressive.
Each style has its own purpose and charm.
How much do you usually spend on clothes each month?
Not much, maybe $50, $100. I like to buy quality items rather than many cheap ones.
That's reasonable. I spend a bit more on trendy clothes, but try to stick to a budget.
Budgeting is essential to avoid unnecessary expenses.
Do you like seasonal sales like Black Friday or end-of-season discounts?
Yes, they are the best time to buy expensive items at a lower price.
I agree. I always plan my shopping around big sales.
Sales are a smart way to get quality clothing affordably.
Do you try new fashion styles or stick to what you know?
I try new styles occasionally but choose what fits my personality.
That's wise. Experimenting is fun, but comfort and confidence are key.
Absolutely, fashion is about expressing yourself, not following others blindly.
Do you prefer shopping for basics or statement pieces?
I prefer basics. They can be mixed and matched easily.
I like statement pieces too. They make outfits stand out.
A balance of basics and statement items is the best approach.
How do you store your clothes at home?
I organize them by type: shirts, pants, jackets, and seasonally.
That's practical. I do the same. Organization saves time and keeps clothes in good condition.
Exactly. Good organization is part of smart fashion management.
Do you donate old clothes?
Yes, I donate clothes I no longer wear. It helps others and reduces waste.
That's great. I also donate old clothes to charity or friends.
Recycling clothes is a smart and eco-friendly habit.
Do you follow luxury brands like Gucci or Louis Vuitton?
Sometimes, I admire their designs, but I rarely buy because they are expensive.
I like looking at luxury fashion shows online. They're very inspiring.
Yes, they show creativity and new trends, even if not practical for everyone.
Do you enjoy shopping for shoes?
Yes, I think shoes are one of the most important parts of an outfit.
I love shoes too. Sneakers, boots, heels, they all change the look completely.
Shoes are a stylish investment and a way to express personality.
Do you shop for accessories like belts, bags, and hats?
Yes, accessories make simple outfits look stylish and complete.
I agree. Scarves, jewelry, and handbags can really elevate a look.
Accessories are small details, but they have a big impact on style.
Do you shop with friends or alone?
I enjoy shopping with friends because they give honest opinions.
Me too. It's fun to discuss styles and try things together.
Shopping can be both practical and social.
Do you have favorite online shopping websites?
Yes, I like Amazon and ASOS for variety and convenience.
I shop a lot on Zara and H&M online too, especially for trendy items.
Online shopping is convenient, but checking reviews is important.
How often do you buy new clothes online?
Maybe once or twice a month, depending on sales and needs.
That's reasonable. I try not to buy online too often to avoid impulse purchases.
Smart strategy. Online shopping can be addictive if not careful.
Do you read fashion magazines for ideas?
Occasionally, they give inspiration, but I prefer practical styles.
I like magazines for seasonal trends and outfit ideas.
They're useful, but personal style is more important than copying trends.
Do you try new colors and patterns?
Yes, sometimes, but I mostly stick to neutral colors that match easily.
I like experimenting with bold patterns in summer and bright colors.
That's fun. Fashion is a way to express personality and mood.
How do you choose clothes for special occasions?
I pick outfits that are formal, stylish, and suitable for the event.
I do the same. Planning ahead helps avoid last-minute stress.
And you can compare styles and prices to make the best choice.
Do you like customizing clothes?
Yes, adding small details or tailoring can make clothes unique.
That's true. Customization makes your style personal and creative.
Even small changes can transform a basic outfit.
Do you follow seasonal trends closely?
I follow trends lightly but always choose what fits me.
That's smart. Trends are fun, but comfort and personality matter more.
Exactly, fashion should reflect who you are, not just what's popular.
Despite all trends and styles, I think confidence is the most important part of fashion.
Absolutely, confidence makes any outfit look amazing.
Then let's enjoy shopping, try new styles, and always wear what makes us feel confident.
Yes, fashion is about expression, comfort, and joy, let's shop wisely and stylishly.